Hello and welcome back. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to our second video of C programming language playlist for beginners for obvious reasons. So, last time I want to go over a few things that I said last time because the recording back then was not very good. I hope it's better now. So I'm going to open my previous code. It will take and now it's opened. I thought it would take some time. That's why I was about to sync. So anyway, I'm going to explain a few things that happens here. Okay, the first line. This is a library, stdio.h. In this library has to be called in basically every code, because stdio means standard input output. So whenever your program has an input or output, which is what we have right now, we're printing, that means this is an output. This library is required to be included. So that's out of the way. Now, what about this? Okay, C programming, any C programming code is about a group of functions. By functions, I mean a group of codes that acts together. Okay, and this main is the main function of your C programming language. Every code is required to have this function, because when you compile your code, the compiler is looking for this main, because what's inside the main is what's going to happen. If you have a million other functions that are not called inside the main function, they will not have any effect on your code. So we're going to have more explanation on the structure of this function when we get to the function parts. Now, we're not there yet, so we're going to stick for now to what's inside this function. Okay, here we have a printf. Printf is simple English, print. So print, that means it will show whatever you tell it to show. Okay, I hope that's clear. Printf, print what's inside the parentheses, curly brackets, if you want to call them, and double quotations. And after every line of code has to be followed with a semicolon. You have to finish every line of code with a semicolon. And this return zero or O, if you're an American. This return zero stands for, since our function is a type int, and function main, the main function has to be the type int. We have to return an integer. Most of the time, if you do not return the type of your function, there will be an error. The compiler will show an error. So let's play more with this simple code. Let's say that I have here print f, curly brackets, double quotations, enter your stupid name. Okay, and semicolons. And now, for me to read that stupid name, I'm going to have a reader. I'm going to have an input. This is an input. So first, I'm going to declare. Let's take it easy. First, we're going to do enter number. Enter a number. Enter a number. We're going to strings for later, inshallah ta'ala. Int number. Okay. I'm going to now do scan what you entered. Now, this scan function gives you the ability, gives the program the ability to read or to open the keyboard for you to type whatever you want. Okay, percentage D, comma, outside of the double quotation. I don't know what you call that in English. And the name of the variable that will take this value, the entered value, number. Happy? And now I'm going to print out what you just given me. Print f quotation, you enter it, I'm a shitty writer, by the way. you enter the percentage G. Now I'm going to explain more about the percentage D and the data types in the next video, inshallah. This is an overview about the structure of the code, so don't mind those very much. I don't like to keep my videos long. I like to keep them short. Okay, after the double quotation, you give a comma, you put a comma, and you put the variable that will take that percentage D place. And it has to be an integer, since percentage D stands for integers. Now, let's compile our code. Like I said, you can compile it and then execute it, or you can compile and execute at the same time. Okay, I'm going to take this step now. Now the compiling is going down. The process of compiling is down here at this compiling log. And once it's finished, 0 errors, 0 warnings, and the outputs is here. And let's execute now, or run. Enter a number, like let's say 4. You entered 4. I'm the man, and that's it. Press any key to exit or to continue, and I think see you at the next video. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.